Hello everyone. What you're about to hear comes from years of experience working directly with customers and solving real problems in our repair shop. The Er1 error appears when the Traeger grill detects a problem with the RTD temperature probe, which is responsible for measuring the heat inside the cooking chamber. Simply put, the control board stops receiving an accurate reading from the sensor and shuts down the grill to prevent improper operation. At our shop, we often hear customers say things like, the grill turns on, but a few seconds later, ER1 appears, or the temperature keeps changing a lot before the error shows up. In most cases, this code is related to the sensor or its connection, not a complete failure of the grill. The first thing we check is the RTD probe and its wiring, since heat, grease, and moisture can damage them over time. As one of our technicians says, if the grill doesn't know what temperature it's at, it would rather shut down than operate incorrectly. We also check that the connector is secure and that the wiring doesn't have any cuts, burns, or damage. Some customers tell us the error appeared after moving the grill or cleaning it, which are situations where a connection can become loose. According to Traeger, the ER1 error is usually related to the RTD probe or its connection circuit. The company recommends inspecting these components before replacing any other parts. So far, there is no known widespread defect associated with this error code.